Okay, this is the second type of the transformer core, and in which we have to need to find out the dimensions of A and B. And this is the two-step core. That is, this is the first core, first rectangular core. Okay, and this is the second rectangular core. Then it is called as two-step core. This is the first core and this is the second core. Now both are intersect to each other. Okay, now this is the intersection point. Then in which to find out the dimensions of A and B. Okay, now then in which find out dimensions of A and B with the help of circumscribing circle. Then this is the circumscribing circle. Okay, and in which find out dimensions of A and B. Now in which first find out gross core area, that is AGI. Now in which we have to consider half section. We have to consider this section because this section always same as that of this section. Now first find out this section. Now first we have taken A, that is A as it is taken as A. Then this section is B, that is A into B. That is, this is the A into B. Now section second is we have to select this section, that is A and B. That is this section and this section is get A plus A into B. Now this section for this section and this section for this section. That is AB plus AB. Then in which also in which find out this section is get obtain A and B. Now minus B square. That means this is the section is this section is and this section. It is B into B. That is both are in series. Then we have taken B square. That means first we have taken A B. That means this value we have taken. Then A B. Then this for this. And both are common in B. That is both are connected in series. Then we have taken B square. That means the final obtained equation is AGI is equal to AB plus AB minus B square. This is the gross core area of the two-step core. It is also called as cruciform core. Okay. Now next equation is AGI is equal to taking addition of both terms. That is AB plus AB is twice AB minus B square. Now in which we have taken this is the angle theta. Okay, from we have taken this triangle. Okay, as it is, and this is the diagonal. Now in which this is the cos theta axis. Okay, and this is sin theta axis. Okay, now in which find out angle. Then we have considered A for A is equal to D into cos theta. That is A is equal to obtained equation is A is equal to D cos theta due to angle. Okay, from this angle. Then B is equal to next equation is D sin theta. That is D is diagonal of the triangle. Okay. Okay. Now we obtain two equations from this angle theta. That is, this is the cos theta and this is sin theta. Okay. Now A is equal to D cos theta and B is equal to D sin theta. Now equation 2 put in equation 1. That means put the values of A and B in this equation. Then equation 2 becomes, that means A is equal to d cos theta and B is equal to d sin theta. Then AGI is equal to AGI is equal to 2 into d cos theta into d sin theta minus d square into sin square theta. That means in equation number 1 we have to put A is equal to d cos theta and B is equal to d sin theta. Okay. Now next equation is okay. Now this is the equation is okay. Then put A is equal to d cos theta, B is equal to d sin theta minus d square sin square theta. That means 2 into A into B. That means this is the value of A and this is the value of B. Then d into d, d square. That is AGI is equal to 2 into d square cos theta into sin theta minus d square into sin square theta. Now in which we have taken d square is common from, then other values are in bracket, that is 2 cos sin theta, okay, in minus sin square theta. Now the formula of sin 2 theta is equal to 2 cos theta into sin theta. Now put 2 cos theta into sin theta is equal to sin 2 theta. This is the formula of this equation. Next equation is AGI is equal to d square into bracket sin 2 theta minus sin square theta. Now differentiating with respect to d theta. Now taking the derivative of this equation, that is derivative of gross iron area, that is AGI upon d theta. That means d square, the derivative of sin 2 theta is cos 2 theta into 2 minus the formula of sin square theta and derivative of sin square theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Then next equation is d square into bracket 2 into cos 2 theta minus the formula of sin 2 theta is 2 cos theta sin theta or 2 sin theta is the into cos theta. This is the formula of sin 2 theta. Then put the rate of gross iron area with respect to theta is put 0. Okay. Then next equation is put 0 from this d into gross area or gross iron area upon d theta is put 0. Then d square into bracket 2 cos theta cos 2 theta minus sin theta. Then d square get 0 due to 0. Then next equation is 2 into cos 2 theta is equal to sin theta. Okay. Then next equation is sin 2 theta upon cos theta 2 theta is equal to 2. That means sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Then tan 2 theta is equal to 2. Then 2 theta is equal to tan inverse of 2. Then theta is equal to 31.72 degree. Then the value of theta is put in this equation. That is equation 2 becomes, that is A is equal to d cos theta and B is equal to d sin theta. The value of theta is this equation put and also theta put same value. Then A is equal to obtain equation is A is equal to d cos into same theta is, the value of theta is put in above equation. A is equal to d into cos 31.72, that is A is equal to 0.85 d. Then B is equal to d sin theta, B is equal to 0.53 d. That means in which we have to find out the dimensions of A and B, and these dimensions A and B use in cruciform core or two-step core. Okay, then in which we have to need equation number 1. Then equation 1 becomes, that is AGI is equal to twice AB minus B square. Then also put the values of A and B, that is put the value of A is 0.85 d. Then the value of B is 0.53 d minus B square, that is 0.53 d square. Then taking multiplication of three values, that is 0.901 d square minus 0.53 d square. Then gross iron area is AGI is equal to 0.62 d square. Okay, now this is the value of AGI. Now calculate AI, that is net core area. That is, first we have to calculate AGI is calculated. Now again calculate the value of AI. Then but the stacking factor is equal to ratio of net core area upon gross iron core area. That means stacking factor KES is equal to AI upon AGI. That means, okay, that means stacking factor, it is the ratio of net core area upon gross iron core area, that is AGI. Then rearrange equation for AI is equal to KS into AGI, but the stacking factor constant value is 0.9, and this concept of stacking factor I have already in previous lecture, that is KS is equal to take value is 0.9. Then put KS is equal to 0.9 into the value of AGI is calculated. The value of AGI put in this equation. Okay, that is 0.62 d square. Then the value of AI is 10. That means in stacking factor we have to calculate the value of AI is 0.56 d square, and also calculate gross iron area is 0.62 d square. Okay, now this is the expression of net iron core area and gross iron core area. Now we have to take on the ratio of net iron core area and area of circumscribing circle. That means we have to calculate first net iron area with respect to area of circumscribing circle. That means the value of net iron area is AI is 0.56 d square. Then area of circumscribing circle, the formula is pi by 4 d square. Then d square get cancelled. Then ratio is obtained is 0.71. That means 71% area utilized by iron in core. Then this is the net iron area, that is AI. We have to calculate it with respect to area of circumscribing circle. Then same procedure useful for gross then the ratio of gross iron area is AGI, and area of circumscribing circle is we have to calculate. Then gross core area is 0.62 t square. This is the gross iron area. Okay, now this value put in this, that is the gross core area. Then area of circumscribing circle is pi by 4 d square. Same formula is also in this equation. Okay, then 0.62 d square get cancelled, that is 0.62 upon pi by 4. Then obtain is gross iron area is with respect to area of circumscribing circle, it is 0.79. okay, then that means 79% area is covered by gross iron area. Now in two-step core we have to find out net iron area, that is AI, and gross iron area, that is AGI, with respect to stacking factor, and in which two-step core in which 71% area utilized by iron and 79% area is covered by gross iron. Okay, now this is the exact expression of net iron area AI and gross iron area AGI with respect to two-step core. And also two-step core, another name is cruciform core. Now this is the final expression of net iron area and gross core iron area.